Hi there. Today I'm going to show you how to do a nozzle check test pattern on a Canon Pixma MP250. And this is quite simple. It can all be done from the front of the printer. So what we need to do first of all is go into the maintenance menu, which is this one here. It's got a pair of pliers and a screwdriver if you can't see. So press that just once, and the very first option we get is A, which according to the manual, what indicates the nozzle check. So what we're going to do is just get this started by pressing either the black or the colour button on the bottom of the printer. So here we go. Now this will take just a minute. And when it's finished, you're presented with a nozzle check test pattern. Now, there are some serious issues with this machine. You'd ordinarily be able to see a black bar up there, indicating its ability to do like a solid line and some text. But as you can see, we've got stripy colours, stripy magenta, yellow doesn't look too bad, and black is completely absent, so we need to take a look at those cartridges. But this machine's been left unused for a while, so this was kind of to be expected. Now, if your print quality looks as bad as mine, I would recommend doing some cleaning and deep cleaning cycles from your printer, which we also have a video for on our channel. But hopefully you found this useful. If you have, please do give us a like. Otherwise, thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Take care. Bye bye.